let's study roots. Okay, so the first one I take the square root of 12 is how to find the value. So I find the value by, I use 3. 313, 326, 339, 3, 4, 12. I put 4. 3, 4, 12. How about 4? We can divide. Again, I use 2 and 2, 2, 4. Then I take 2, 2, and 3. I put in the big root. And then I write the whole thing, 3 times 2 times 2. Over here you can see that you have two figures the same. Then you take 2, put in the front, cancel, just 1, 2. You don't put 2. You have two figures the same and just put 1 off here, 1, 2. And then 3, you remain 3 inside the root. So the answer is 2, the square root of 3. Answer. Now how about 75? 75 I will calculate over here. So I use 3. 3, 1, 3, 3, 2, 6. So 1 here and then 5, 15. 3, 5, 15. And then I use 5. 5, 5, 25. Finish. So I put the big square over here and then I take 3 times 5 times 5. 3 times 5 times 5. 3 times 5 times 5. Okay? Over here you will see. You can see 5 and 5, the same figures. So you take 5 in the front and you remain 3 inside. The answer is 5, the square root of 3. And then, how about 5? 5 is 5 multiplied by 1 is 5. And then 3 is 3 multiplied by 1. The answer is 3. So now let's have a look at the second problem. 4 the square root of 3 minus the square root of 12. 3 you can't divide no more, so you just put 4 the square root of 3 minus, how about 12? 12 you can copy from here. 2 the square root of 3, 2 the square root of 3, 2 the square root of 3. What do you have? You see, it's the same 3. If you have the same figure of the square root of 3, this one and this one, so you take only the square root of 3, just 1, okay? And then 4 minus 2 is 2. Answer. Easy. And then how about this one, this item, the square root of 75 times 2 the square root of 5. So 75, look at this one, the answer is 5 the square root of 3. You just write down 5 the square root of 3 times 2 the square root of 5. You can't break down anymore, so you just put 2 the square root of 5 over here, and then you put the big square root. Okay, you put inside the square root 3 times 5. Inside times inside, and outside, what about outside? Outside times outside things. 5 times 2. So the answer is 5, 1, 5, 5, 2, 10. And then, how about inside the square root? 3, 5, 15. The answer. Alright, the last one. You divide each other. This one, if you can divide, then you divide. You look at this. 2, 1, 2, 2, 6, 12. So you have 6 over 1. How about x? X up here is x cubed, and this one is x1, x to the first. So the answer is 6 over 1. And how about x cubed and x to the first? You can write this. Oh, you don't need to. You don't need to write this no more. So how about this one, x cubed and x to the first? You can minus. You can minus 3. You can minus 3 minus 1 like this. So 3 minus 1 is 2. So you have the square root of 6 x squared. So we can do the simplest form of x. X is x times x. X times x is x squared. As I told you that if you have two figures the same, you put in the front and cancel. So the answer is x. The square root of 6 answer. Thank you for watching. Bye.